Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically fix your lag on Dress to Impress. Well, like how to fix lag, sorry. Anyways, to do it, you're just going to select the settings tab here, which is just this gear icon. Then to basically fix your lag, you're just going to select the low setting. It does look a little bit different as you can see, but at least you're like playing the game and it will lag less. But that is it. I'll just put it back to the original setting. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.